Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Logistic Laboratory, Praktikum PSL, Use Case and Activity Diagram Module 3. Modeling language for system or software with an object-oriented paradigm, a set of integrated diagrams, which was developed to help system software developers complete specification, visualization, architectural design, construction, simulation and testing, and documentation. The purpose of using the first, perfect modeling language that is independent of various programming languages and engineering tasks. Second, integrate best practice contained in modeling. Third, provide 3D to use models and expressive visual modeling language for developing and exchanging models in an easy and generally understandable manner. Use case. Use case diagrams set the visualization of interaction that occur between user or actors and the system. This diagram is a good picture to explain the context of a system so that the boundaries of the system are clearly visible. Lerman 2005. There are two important elements that must be described, namely actors and users. Actor is anything that interacts directly with the system, can be a person, which is indicated by his role and not his name or persona, or other computer system. Use case allow you to understand and communicate the purpose of a system or its component. A use case diagram is a UML model that is used to graphically show a use case and its relationship to the user. Satzinger et al. 2011. Use case diagrams are usually developed in the early stage for development, and people often apply use case modeling for several purposes. First, define system context. Second, capture system requirements. Third, validation of system architecture. Fourth, drive implementation and generate test case. The R symbol and description. First is actor, use case, association, generalization, include, and the last extent. Activity diagram. Activity diagram describe various activity flow in the system being designed, how each one the flow begins, the decision that may happen, and how they end it. Activity diagrams can also be described parallel process, what might happen to multiple executions. Activity diagram is essentially an advanced version of flowchart that modeling the flow from one activity to another activity. Activity diagram describes how activities are coordinated to provide a surface, which can be a different level of abstraction. Activity diagrams show the order in which the action takes place and identify the outcomes. Shelley and Rosenberg 2012. There are symbol and description of activity diagram. First is initial stage, second activity final step, third activity, fourth decision, 5 follow node, 6 join node, 7 streamline, and the last control flow and object flow. For the example study case, you are one of the IT developers at the FRI company. This company is a company engaged in logistics or delivery of goods. One day, your manager wants an information system that can manage the company's freight forwarding fleet. This web-based system facilitates staff to manage transactions and make deliveries online. The following is the order of all the activities. Admin just open the website. The system will display the logistics page. Admin choose a login. The system will display the login page. Admin needs to fill the username and password. If the password is correct, the system will display the main menu page. But if the password is wrong, the system will display an error login notification and return to the login page. Baiklah, untuk membuat activity diagram dari study case sebelumnya, pertama kita harus membuka terlebih dahulu website DAO.io di browser. Setelah dibuka, kemudian kalian bisa klik Create New Diagram. Kemudian kalian rename file dengan nama dan FRI kalian masing-masing. Dan klik create. Kemudian kalian bisa save file kalian di device dengan nama seperti yang terlihat pada layar. Di sebelah kiri merupakan simbol-simbol yang ada pada draw.io. Kalian bisa pilih menu Advanced, kemudian kalian pilih simbol kontainer. Kalian drag. Untuk simbol kontainer dibuat dua karena di sini ada aktivitas yang dilakukan oleh admin dan sistem. Kontainer pertama itu untuk admin, dan yang kedua itu untuk sistem. Setelah itu, kalian pilih menu UML, di mana terdapat simbol start. Kalian drag, dimulai dari admin, yaitu kita mulai dari simbol start. Kemudian kita mulai dengan simbol activity. Berdasarkan studies case tersebut, aktivitas yang dilakukan oleh admin yaitu membuka website. Maka aktivitasnya itu open the website. Kemudian setelah admin membuka website, maka sistem akan melakukan menampilkan display. Setelah sistem menampilkan display homepage, selanjutnya admin dapat memilih menu login. Setelah admin menampilkan menu login, maka sistem akan menampilkan form untuk mengisi username dan password. Kemudian admin akan mengisi username dan password. Setelah itu, maka sistem akan mengambil keputusan, yaitu kita bisa memakai condition, simbol condition di UML. Dimana di sini tuh keputusannya itu apakah username dan password itu benar atau salah. Di sini ada dua keputusan, yes or no. Semisalnya password yang kita masukkan itu salah, maka sistem akan memberikan notifikasi error. Namun, apabila password yang kita masukkan telah benar, maka sistem akan menampilkan menu utama. Kemudian yang terakhir, karena ini telah berakhir, tidak kita bersama, maka kita akan memilih simbol N. Sebelumnya, kalau misalnya passwordnya kita masukkan salah, maka sistem akan menampilkan error notification. Maka sistem akan mengembalikan ke display login page, sehingga kita harus melakukan pemilihan login kembali dan mengisi password. Nah, berikut merupakan hasilnya activity diagram berdasarkan study case yang sudah dijelaskan sebelumnya. Mungkin sekian yang dapat saya sampaikan, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.